Hey guys, today let's learn how to edit the control center on iPhone so people would actually ask, where is the control center? In order to find the settings of the control center, head on to your settings app and then head on to General over here. Just under General, we have the control center. I would like you to click on Control Center in order to edit the widgets over here and shortcuts. And then we have a bunch of options to basically edit the settings. Now, over here on the first one, we have swipe down from the top right edge to open the control center. So that's actually the basic stuff in order to access the control center. So just swipe down from the top right, and yeah, this should show up basically. All right, let's put that back. And then we have the next option for the control center to access within to be accessed within apps. You could uncheck this when you uncheck this. Actually now, the control center cannot be accessed within certain apps, all of the apps. So basically in this app, in the settings, you can't do that. So it's basically going to go down right to the notifications when you turn that back on, and we have the control center once more. It could also show home controls in the control center, and basically to include controls. We have these are the controls that are included already, and here are more controls that we would actually like, or we could choose to add in our control center. So basically, if we would like to add something like the magnifier, just click on the plus icon over here and now it's over there. And once we swipe down, of course, from the top right corner, we can see the magnifier right here, and that basically shows the magnifier over here. So let's put that back. But what if we don't want the magnifier there? So let's head on to Control Center once more and let's click on the minus button over here and click on Remove. Now, in order to actually change the order of the icons or shortcuts over here, we can actually click on the three lens over here and drag them. All right, drag them. Easy as that. Just as easy as that. Over here on Alarm, we could actually move that to the top part. And as we see in the control center, oops, it's going to change the order. Of course, now the alarm is over here on the fourth spot. And same over here. It's at that fourth spot. All right, that's basically that to this video. And thank you guys for watching.